Hey guys, this is Mrs. Sauceda. I'm here to show you how to complete your garden work if you missed Monday 9/28. So of course you need to go to your garden class, which is 4B. Click over to class work and then go to today's live Zoom, 9/28 live Zoom. So you're going to go to your 9/28 assignment, and then it says today we're going to do a Jamboard to reflect. Then we're going to learn about regrowing produce from our kitchen scraps and create a Google slide together. So the first thing you need to do is the Jamboards for reflection. When you click on the Jamboard, you'll notice some post-it notes. This is just the different students letting us know a time that they felt disappointed and how they handled it. So you go over here and you can click on a sticky note and you can pick the color you'd like. And then you tell me a time that you've been disappointed and how you handled it. So some examples. One time my parents said they would bring me home leftovers and they didn't. I handled it by eating other food. Some people say I get disappointed when I'm failing my classes, and what I did is completed missing work. So they'll vary. If you feel like you don't have enough room, you can click over to a next page and do something over here. Once you're done with that, you can just exit out. It will automatically save for you. And then you go to regrowing produce on the Google Slides. And so everybody was given their own slide today that they're working on. Since you missed class, you can go ahead and create a new slide. You can just add the slide on there. And so to add a slide, you could just hit this plus sign right here, new slide. And you're going to pick a produce that you can regrow from home. But how do I know which produce I can regrow from home? Well, I have the information in that same 9/28 live Zoom. It says right here, it should say C, reading questions. Now you don't need to read this whole thing and you do not need to answer all the questions. I just want you to look through here. It says 6 vegetables that you can regrow. I want you to pick one of these 6 vegetables, whether it's the avocado, basil, cabbage, carrot greens, cilantro, or garlic sprouts. So pick one of these things, read about it. Then after you're done reading about it, you go back to this slide and then you'll put your title. So whatever you chose, I chose avocado. Then you'll tell me your full name, because I need to know who's working on this slide. You will tell me the steps to regrow avocado. And then lastly, I would like you to insert 3 images. And so the images can be like an avocado seed, an avocado sprout, an avocado tree, just 3 images, or you could actually show an avocado growing from home in the water. So just insert 3 images that kind of gives us an idea of what your produce is, the steps to regrow, and then of course your name. Once you're done with that, that's all you need to do. If you have any questions, then you can comment with your questions and your concerns.